Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance in a simple, step-by-step guide. Whether you're transferring funds between your own accounts or sending USDT to a friend or family member, this guide has got you covered. First, open your favorite browser. Then click on the search bar. Then search for Binance. Then click on the first official link. Now log into the Binance account where you want to receive the USDT. This is the receiving account. If you're sending USDT to someone else, ask them to log in to their Binance account and retrieve their USDT deposit address. Let me explain why this is crucial. To send USDT, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. This address ensures the funds are directed to the correct account. In the receiving account, navigate to this button. Then click on Overview from here. Now, you have to click on this deposit button on the top. Then under I have crypto assets. Click on Deposit Crypto. Now search for USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies and click on it. Here's an important step, selecting the correct network. This determines how your funds are transferred. Click on Select Network, and you'll see multiple options like BSC, Binance Smart Chain, or ERC20, Ethereum Network. Ensure the network matches on both the sending and receiving accounts. For this guide, let's use BSC. Then click on BSC. Then it will create a QR code and the deposit address. Copy the deposit address shown after selecting the network. Click on the copy icon to avoid errors. Now that you have the deposit address, log into the Binance account that holds the USDT you want to send. Now I'm in the account. Now navigate to Wallet section. Then click on Overview. Once you are in the Overview page, click on Withdraw. Next, let's start the withdrawal process to transfer USDT to the receiving account. Click on Select Coin. Then find USDT in your assets list. Once you have found it, click on it. Then in the address section, paste the deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Click on Select Network and choose the same network as before, BSC, Binance Smart Chain in this case. Now it's time to finalize the transfer. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. You can click on Max if you want to transfer your entire balance. Scroll down, double-check all the details, and click Withdraw. Binance may prompt you for some security verifications, like an email or phone confirmation. Complete these steps to proceed. And that's how you send USDT from Binance to Binance. Depending on the network you chose, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. If this guide was helpful, please consider subscribing for more Binance tutorials and crypto tips. Don't forget to leave a like and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.